go, XJR pilots. This is going to be a good one. We're going to change it up a little bit and do some reviews. And I just want to let everyone know that we do showcases of these wonderful RC EDF jets. Today we have the MiG-29 Fulcrum. This is a massive jet. I'm telling you, it is very, very big. Definitely a more advanced model. So we're going to take a look, and I'm going to bring up my website here, and let's see the price point. As you can see, it's $749. Yeah, it's pretty pricey, but it's worth it. It's definitely a jet you want to have in your collection. So on the website here at motionrc.com, they have lots of great pictures, and this is one of my favorite ones. You can see the arsenal there in the front of the jet. There's the twin 80mm EDF engines. It has digital camo, but it has a livery with this tiger. It's beautiful. So let's just look at the overview here, and there's some more pictures explaining and showing the different features of the MiG, and they have a very, very, very good overview. And there's the specs, all the intel you need as far as radio, receivers, and batteries, so you have the perfect setup for your MiG. And they have a variety of videos, and we're going to take a look at one. And there's I believe a build video as well. Now we have pilot Patrick Croasdale, and he's going to take the MiG up, and we have footage from Motion RC and their wonderful camera crew. So let's see the flight and watch a pro do it with the MiG. Again, this is an advanced plane, guys, so pay attention and let's learn together. that's all I got for you. I had a wonderful time showing you this beautiful EDF. I mean, this MiG is something to behold, and one day I hope to see one in person myself. And again, we thank you for supporting us and joining us on this journey as we learn to build and fly these wonderful machines. Hit a like, hit that subscribe for us. Thank you, we love you guys. And as always, push past your limits with XJR.